Hello my cupcakes and welcome back to my channel. So today I came up with this Bombshell glitter cut crease look in partnership with Ulta Beauty just in time for your New Year's Eve glam. You guys have no idea how happy I am with how it turned out. I feel so glamorous and so bombshell. If you guys want to know about any of the products that I used in this video, everything will be linked down below in the description box, so please check that out. If I don't get to see you guys before, Happy New Year's, Happy 2019. Thank you guys so much again for giving me another amazing year, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I have planned for 2019. Alright, that's it. That's all I'm gonna say. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys next year. Whew, it's cold. Please don't mind me wearing this sweater because it's really cold in my house right now. Alright, so starting off with a clean face, I'm actually gonna apply my absolute favorite primer slash moisturizer right now. This is the Photofinish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one by SMASHBOX, and I absolutely love this. I mentioned this several times in my video. It really helps with my current dry skin right now. It's really cold here in Northern Virginia, and this stuff really helps my skin stay hydrated. And I also really love the fact that this makes my skin look so smooth and soft. Alright, next I'm going to apply my foundation, and today I'm going to be using the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by NARS, and I have it in the shade Deauville. This is actually a perfect match for me right now, so this will be the only shade I'll be using. I really want my skin to look dewy and glowy because I want to do like a smoky eye, but like with glitter on it, you know, because it's New Year's Eve. You can't ever go wrong with glitter during New Year's. Look at this beautiful coverage, you guys. I absolutely love this dew and glow. I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eyes using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral. And because we want to make sure our makeup stays in place all throughout the night until literally the next year, we're gonna go ahead and bake our under eyes using the DERMABLEND Loose Setting Powder, and this one is in translucent. We're gonna leave the loose powder until we're done with our eyeshadow. Trust me, that'll save us a lot of trip. So now using the remaining powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. For my brows, I'm using the Brow Powder Duo in Caramel by Anastasia, and I'm also going to use the Brow Wiz in Caramel to fill in any gaps around the arches. It's amazing how better you feel once your brows have been filled. I just feel so naked and vulnerable without my brows filled. Alright, now I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Eyelid Primer in Translucent by Morphe. Feel free to use a brush if that makes you feel more comfortable. I just personally like using my fingers because I feel like I'm blending more evenly, in my opinion. Alright, moving on to the fun part, which is the eyes. Today I'll be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. This is how it looks like. Look at all of these beautiful colors in here. I am so excited to dip my brushes into these. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys a little closer so you guys can see better. I'm gonna go ahead and start by applying this shade right here called Orange Soda. And I'm applying that just on the crease area. This will be the shade that diffuses everything out and makes sure that everything is smoked out very nicely. If you're confused about where your crease is, if you don't have like a prominent crease line, just feel where your eye socket is, like where the bone starts and ends. That's where you want to apply this shade. Alright, next I'm going to apply this shade right here called Rustic. Using the same brush, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that right below where we applied Orange Soda. And that'll help the crease line be a bit more visible. Look how beautifully that blends together with each other. And towards the end where the tail is, we're just gonna lightly flare it out, like flick it outwards. Using this shade right here, I'm gonna really start defining and intensifying this look. Don't worry if it's a little messy right now, because we're gonna be blending it out. Same thing on the other side. Again, don't worry if it's too messy because we're going to be cleaning it up soon. Alright, now going back to the shade Rustic, we're going to go ahead and smoke that out. Don't worry if it takes you a minute to blend because you really want to blend all of those harsh edges out. Once you're happy with the blending, we're going to start cleaning up underneath the brow bone area, and I'm going to use this shade called Tempura, and we're just going to go right below the brow bone to clean up the harsh edges right there. Okay, now once that's done, I'm going to go back to my concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease out so that we can clean up this line right there. And you want to open your eyes for this as well so you know exactly where you're placing this. Alright, now for the main event. I've been dying to apply this shade right here. I've been wanting to apply this shade for so long now. This one is in Sultry. And I'm going to go ahead and try applying it with a brush first. Put that right on top of where we just created that crease. Ooh, look at the pigmentation. Alright, so once that's on, we kind of lost that differentiation between the cut crease. So now we're just going to go ahead and grab the shade Noir, which is the black, and we're going to cut that out again. Do you guys see the difference? You always want to wait till you apply the black last because the darkest color should always go last. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I'm going to go ahead and dust away the loose powder. Do you see how easy that was to clean up? Alright, now we're going to go ahead and line our eyes. We're going to really wing it out. And to do that, I'm using the Sex Kitten liner by Tarte. This is my absolute favorite liner. It's super waterproof, which is perfect for tonight. Alright, once you're done with your eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and intensify the glitter because it's all about the glitter today. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Cat Call by Urban Decay. And we're just going to go ahead and just apply right on top of it. Just like that. And this is really comfortable to wear, so I don't mind applying this everywhere. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and tie the whole look together. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step as I did over here on the bottom. Starting with the shade Rustic, we're just going to use that to smoke it out. Then we're going to go ahead and apply Noir. Alright guys, let's go ahead and finish up the eyes by applying our false lashes. Today I'm applying Lily Lashes in NYC. Look at how beautiful these lashes are. And finally, to finish up the eyes, we're going to go ahead and apply our mascara on the lower lashes. And I'm using the Definitions by Lancome. I absolutely love the small one that this has for the bottom lashes. I love my eyes so much. Alright, now that the eyes are done, to finish up the rest of my face, I'm going to start by bronzing / contouring using the Anastasia Powder Bronzer in Rosewood. I'm going to use the same bronzer to contour my nose with it as well. Ooh, my nose is snatched. For blush today, I'm going to go really soft on the blush because, again, I really want my eyes to be the one that pops with color. So I'm going to use my Gen Nude blush in Pretty in Pink by Bare Minerals. It's such a soft, very diffused pink blush, and it gives just the right amount of color back into your skin. And for highlight, I'm so excited to use this highlight palette. This is the Glow Up palette by OFRA Cosmetics. And look at this beauty right here. Oh my goodness. I just want to like dunk my face in it and just rub my face. Alright, let's go ahead and since we have a little bit more of the pinkish tone going on, let's go ahead and apply this shade right here. Oh my god. A little bit on the nose as well. Little on my chin to tie in the whole glow look. So for my lips, I have this kit right here. This is the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick Set by STILA. And I honestly didn't know what lip color I wanted to do because I think it'll be suitable for all sorts of lip colors. So this is perfect because I get to choose from all of these options. You know what, guys? I've been really into the berry tones lately that I've totally ignored all of my nude shades. So let's go back to the good old nude. This one is in Fia, and I'm totally feeling this nude right now. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I haven't glammed up like this in a minute. Thank you all so much again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you do end up recreating this look for your New Year's Eve get ready with me, please tag me in all of my social media handles. I will leave it right here for you guys. I absolutely love seeing your recreations and I love showing them off to my viewers. I just want to say how grateful I am for you guys. Thank you so much again for another wonderful year. Happy New Year's if I don't get to see you guys again. Please be safe whatever you guys are doing, but remember to have a lot of fun and make lots of new memories. You guys are my dear cupcakes. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next year. Bye guys.